to upload pictures to the Pinterest. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can upload the pictures to your Pinterest account. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Pinterest application. Now once you're in here, in the bottom here is the option of the create and the plus icon. You just have to click on it. Now here you have option of the start creating. Now here you have two options, one is the pin and the second one is the board. If you click on this pin, here you have to add the picture or the video that you want to add, and you just have to click on the next. And here you have to add the title that you want to add, in which you have to tell everyone that what your pin is about. And after that, here you have to add a description, mentions or the hashtag to your pins. And here you have to add your link here, that any link that you want to add. And from here you can also pick a board from your profile that you want to add for, and you just have to click on the create board, and here you have to create a board name. Now here is the related topics. You just have to click on it, and you can also select the tags that you want to add in your post, and you just have to click on the create, and here you have to add it. And after that you just have to go in your pins, and here you have to refresh your profile, and you have to go on the export pins. Now you have to go on the pins saved. Now you just have to click on your saved profile, and here you have to go on the pins, and you have to go on the created by you. And that's how you can create and upload the pictures to your Pinterest. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.